Hey there, and welcome to Crochet Therapy. I'm Barbara, your host. If you're new to my channel, I just want to introduce myself. I'm Barbara, and I live in Florida with my husband, my 2 dogs, my 3 cats, and just recently, my mom and dad. And so I want to welcome you to the channel. This is the place for all yarny goodness. We have crochet alongs, tutorials, we do chit chats, we do live chats every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday morning. On Wednesday mornings, we do our Whip Wednesday, where we actually sit and crochet together. So we are a yarny community. We're very uplifting. We use crochet as our therapy. I am in no way, shape, or form a therapist, but I do use crochet as my form of therapy. Keeps me calm and happy, and I love yarn, and I love sharing yarn, and I love hearing about your projects, and I love hearing about your life and your yarny goodness life. So join me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you won't miss a thing.